Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Kayla Jukic here. Hi, if you're new, if you're not, welcome back. Today's video, we are jumping right into my fall Fab Fit Fun box. I'm quite excited, honestly, because I skipped the summer box. I obviously received it, but I didn't record a video of me unboxing it because it was literally right in the midst of all of my wedding chaos and I was just too busy. So I'm glad that I can sit down and have some time to go through this one with you. I have not opened it at all, even though it's like coming out. It's very strange. So I'm excited to see what I got. I have such a love-hate relationship with the fall because I know that winter is coming and cold weather, but I love fall weather. I love pumpkin pie. I love Halloween. I love the colors changing. So it's definitely bittersweet. So opening it up, usually there's always like a magazine, of course, but usually there's like a lot of coupons and I'm not seeing that. So I guess it didn't come with mine or it's not coming with the fall one at all. I love these little magazines because it just tells you a little blurb of like all the products, how much they cost, how to use them, all of that good stuff. But what I noticed is they're actually giving away a trip to Mexico, so your girl's definitely gonna apply for that. I'm always excited to get these boxes and I always feel like I forget what my customizations were, so everything's gonna be a surprise. First on the list, I actually think now that I'm seeing it, I remember it, I picked this as one of my customizations, but it is the vegetable chopper. This is what it looks like. I am so excited to use this. I have been dying to have one of these for so long because honestly, just cutting vegetables up can be such a hassle and honestly super time consuming. I was always looking on like Amazon or Walmart for something of this sort, but then I saw it as a customization and I was like, yep, I need it. So I love the color. It's like this greenish, like teal color. So the blades are on the inside. I guess you just put the vegetables, whatever it is, in. You close it up and then you literally just pull this and it chops it. In terms of size, like it's like compared to my hand, that is the size of it. So I would say it's probably for smaller items such as like onion, carrots, garlic, you know, some sort of like leaves that you want to chop up, something like that. I don't think it would be for like bigger items. Item number 2, I think this was also a customization of mine if I remember correctly, but it is a Michael Kors toque. Okay, this is super cute. So it is gray and it has the Michael Kors right here with a little pom-pom on the top. It is actually pretty thin material. It's not super thick, but it feels really nice. Let's try it on. I don't think I have a gray toque, so like this. Cute. This is really cute. Like I feel like it's like the perfect size. Like it's just a tiny bit bigger. I'm sorry, I'm looking at my screen. It's just a tiny bit bigger, so it kind of like hangs over. Super cute. Third item, what is this? This is a grooming ham mat. How do you say this? Ham Mam Mitt. That is a mouthful. Ham Mam Mitt. And it is from Daily Concepts. I have no idea what this is, but it says exfoliate away dead skin without causing irritation. Ideal for intimate areas, the whole body. Great for self-tanning and preparation and removal. My dog, I don't know if you guys just saw him leave. He is in the crate. My husband keeps feeding him apples and he takes it to his crate, he eats it, and then he goes back in that room where my husband is because he wants to get more. It's actually so funny. Basically, this is what it looks like. So the texture, it feels very rough. Like it feels like basically like a dry brush, but in a towel version. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Like it is very rough, but basically on one end you open it up and you can put your hand through there. It does come with like a little pouch. The pouch actually feels nicer than the mitt does, so that's interesting. Honestly though, now that I'm thinking about it, this will actually be really good use for me because I'm in the midst of doing laser removal. So I'm doing it on my butt, like my half legs, I'm doing it on Brazilian, and I'm doing my underarms. And a week after I get my treatment done, I have to exfoliate. So I've been using a dry brush, which is very irritating, honestly. So this might be like my new go-to to like do that. Okay, now we're talking. Pumpkin Fresh Peepers minimizes puffiness and dryness. I think it's like an eye patch, and it is from the company Black. I always get products from them, so that's super cool. It comes with 5 patches and they are orange, which is so cute, matches the pumpkin theme. I need this especially during the fall because 1, my skin gets dry, but 2, like my under eyes terrible. Next, we're moving into the spongelle buffer. I think I've actually got this before. Yeah, I actually do have this. I think this was a customization because I got one of these, I think last year. Honestly, it might have been last fall, and I loved it so much. So when I saw that I could get it as a customization, I was like, that's the one. That's what I want. Basically, it's an exfoliate, like a dry brush, and it cleanses and massages your body. It's a body brush, so you can literally use it anywhere. Super happy I got that, to be quite honest with you. Next item I got was this Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer for hydrating and soothing. Again, my skin really gets dry during these times, so hydrating my face in the morning and at night is super important to me. It is something I do in my routine every single day. I do not miss a day doing it, so getting products like these is really nice. And it says it's oil-free. I do have like a mixture between dry and oily skin, so this is gonna be nice. And it gives a watery glow. I guess that's like a play on of like the watermelon type of thing. Look at this bottle though. This is like a light pink color in a glass bottle. This is so nice. This might be my favorite like looking product I've got so far. Okay, I think this is the last thing. Obviously the biggest thing, it's always in the bottom, but I find I'm always getting some sort of bag. Like I have a million bags from FAB FIT FUN, but I absolutely love them. I use all of them. So what is this? This is just like a big tote bag. Like this is so nice. Is it like cheetah? I don't know. It doesn't really look like cheetah, but it kind of does. This is really nice. It's like a beige tone with black accents, gold accents. It has a front pocket. Let's see how big it is. Open it up. I love these sorts of bags for like traveling especially, but like, you know, on weekends sometimes, like when we go see our family, I like packing like my laptop and the things that I need, you know, to do work or whatever. But it has the small straps, and then when you open it up, it has a strap that you can make longer, so if you want to wear it as like a side bag, you definitely could. It's definitely a good size. I feel like I've gotten bigger bags from FAB FIT FUN before, but like this would definitely fit my laptop and like my work stuff. I'm honestly really liking the print on it. Like it's really nice. In between the dots it says Molly and Lili. I hope that's how you say it. Molly, M-A-L-I. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Somebody can let me know in the comments, but I'm assuming that's the brand. Never heard of it before, but like it feels very high quality. Definitely gonna use it. And that is pretty much it. That is all the items I got in my fall FAB FIT FUN box for 2022. If you got any of the same products as me in your box, or if you have any questions about these products, please let me know. I will definitely keep you updated on this little guy. You're gonna see him in my like full day of eating videos and my vlogs, because I know I'm gonna be using the crap out of this. But that is all. I need to go shower, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.